Mauro, thanks again for coming out today.
No problem, Dave.
So we're just trying to update our house here. And some of the few things we've done is we scraped the popcorn off of this ceiling, kind of make it a little more modern, threw on a coat of paint.
It looks really good.
Thank you.
I like the way you see it.
Thank you very much. But in this room, we have this kind of this wavy plaster textured ceiling, and we don't know what to do. If we should cover it, try to scrape it.
Gotcha. What I think happens here, someone grabbed like a plastering trowel and create this pattern, which was popular 30 to 40 years ago. But right now, people want to see like a flat looking ceiling. I don't think we can scrape that, but I have an easier solution that we can flatten this ceiling out and it's gonna look really good.
Excellent, that sounds great.
All right, let's get the furniture out of here and we're starting to protect the walls, the floors.
All right, let's get to it.
Right, just put a little piece of tape in there for now for security. Just go very close to the ceiling, okay?
Okay.
I want to make sure the ceiling is clean before we do any work on it. Okay, looking at the ceiling, instead of we scrape this whole thing down, we're going to fill out all the lower spots first, and what we're going to use is this fast setting compound. It takes 45 minutes until it dries. Regular junk compound takes forever to dry. So we need to use the 45, which will give us a nice and smooth finish, ready for priming paint.
Sounds good.
Are you ready?
Let's do it.
Well, this should look good. Let's start the mixing.
Okay. Whoa.
So I got my drill with the mixer. Start the mixing. We go nice and easy. We always can add a little bit more.
Can you even add some?
Yeah, you can add a little bit more of the compound.
All right, put some in for you.
Yeah, just keep going. Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. All right, let's see how we go.
So what consistency are we looking for?
Well, we do not want too thin and we do not want too thick. We want the right consistency because if it's too thin, it's going to run all over the place. We don't want that. If you want it too thick, we're not going to be able to spread this nice and smooth on this ceiling. All right, I think we're there. Let's get the trowel and get this work started. We got the hawk with some mud here. And this is what we call taping knife. And we're going to start with that. And this is going to go just like that. Get some on your knife. Get it to the edge of the ceiling. And spread nice and smooth. The key is to keep the coat stained and add multiple coats for nice and smooth finish. All right, that's good enough, yeah. Try to get some of that. Just put that in a 45 angle. Don't worry about that. Yep, that's good.
All right.
Yeah. Don't press it too hard. We're gonna do more than one pass, all right?
Okay.
All we need to fill up is the lower parts first. Just goes like this.
Okay.
Sometimes people wants to get the job fast and they put on too thick. A couple things gonna happen. It's gonna take forever to dry and they never can get a smooth ceiling.
Just load up
Put
along
a little
the
more
way.
to the right of your knife and you can get that corner nice and clean. Yeah. Well, Dave, we'll wait about 45 minutes. It looks pretty dry. It's time to apply the second coat. And then we're gonna use a different trowel now. This is like gonna give us a nice finish and a smoother finish.
Perfect.
Ready to go? All right, here's what I want you to do. I wanted to put a little bit at the end of a trowel and go over the edge, just like that. All right. The goal for the second coat is to hit all the imperfections that we couldn't do on the first coat. Okay. All right, this is why we're getting these wide strokes. How you doing over there? It looks pretty good. Well, second coat is up. What do you think?
This is amazing. It's so different than when we started this morning. I'm really impressed.
Well, this is all we can do for today. What I want you to do is wait about 24 hours, get a 220 grade sandpaper, lightly sand. There's a couple spots I still see some scratch on the ceiling. And no matter how much we work with the knife, we're always gonna see a thing here and there. And then my suggestion is getting a white flat ceiling paint, couple coats, and you're done.
Perfect. That sounds great.
Sounds good?
Really appreciate it. This is amazing work. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.